Hi everyone. So this is the Super Antenna MP1DXTR80 Super Whip. Apparently it comes in a nice bag. It has a little tripod and the antenna. This does 80 meters, 75 meters, 40 meters, 30 meters, 20 meters, 17, 15, 20, 12, 11, 10, and 6. Wow, that's a lot. As you can see, it has a sticker for certification. Apparently Mike is the one who looked and made sure this thing is put well together. But this I bought because of Julian, Oscar Hotel 8 Sierra Tango November, ham radio. He has a channel that talks a lot about, he's from Finland and promotes ham radio communications, and very inspiring channel. And he uses this, and I think he has other parts to it as well, but this is the main piece. So let's look inside. I did cut this up. I was cutting it up and I thought, why not do a video? Okay, so something to do. Oh, there's a website, newsuperantenna.com. It says right here something about they don't like reading manuals like they do. Okay, it's cool. A checklist. Looks like Inspector Mike did that. And it looks like this might be a kit, actually. This is a, looks like a manual. Definitely I'm going to have to read this. And I know they, oh, look at that. Interesting. There's voltmeter. Oh, wow, look at that. Okay. So, anyway, I'm definitely going to read that. That's going to be interesting. And it looks like it's a kit put together. Yeah. So I bought this at the local ham radio outlet. Oh, look at this. Yeah, so different pieces. Different parts. Interesting. What do we got here? The Super Spike. So this is modular. Very, very modular. What else we got? A TM1 low profile antenna tripod. Very lightweight. Interesting. I think this is the one of the main things. MC80 coil for MP1 antenna. 3.5 megahertz to 4.8 megahertz. Interesting. Okay. What else? The bag. So it also has their super antenna sticker. Okay. What else? Ooh. Well, this is a little bit heavy, but this is the UM2 Universal Portable Antenna Mount. Oh, interesting. Okay. These must be the radio set pre-tuned for 80 meter, 75 meter band. Okay. This is one thing I don't know. I mean, it's a counterpoise. It helps because it's a quarter wave antenna, and it needs, you know, some help, I guess, to route the frequency. Here we have another radio set. Okay, and that one is for 7, 14, 21, and 28. And here's another one for 6 meters, 4 meters, 2 meters. They're much smaller too. Interesting. Okay. And okay. Ooh, wow. It says add a drop of oil to only the aluminum threads. Interesting. So that's another part of the component. Wow. This one says MP1C 7 megahertz to 148 megahertz. Oh, that didn't say that here, did it? Yeah, it doesn't say anything about 2 meter or it says 6 meters, but here it says 148. Okay, So maybe I need an antenna for that. And then here, here's the whip. Look at that. And that's, there's this whip. Does it say what size? No. Seems to be very flexible. And I know that you can put this in the bag or on the outside of the bag. It says add a drop of oil to only the aluminum threads, which is right here, I guess. All right, so this package is really a combination. It's very modular. They have all these parts, and I'm guessing if you add all these parts together, it's going to be more expensive. This particular set that I have here, this one was on sale. I think it was $2.90. And if you look on Amazon's site, you'll find that there are different prices for the super antenna, and I'm guessing because it has different parts. All right, so this is Frank KN6BST. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.